Hi, Phil from Blue Llama here. I'm here with a whiteboard today, something a little bit different. It might be social media gold. I feel it won't be, but I'm going to try to explain very simply what our AI Opportunities Workshop is all about, okay? So when you haven't got a clue where to start with AI automation, then our workshop is absolutely perfect, because what we will do is we will come in and sit together with your management team, and we will look at all the processes that go on within your organization that you think might have the potential for automation. So we discuss that in this meeting, we put all of those into a pot, and then we kind of assess them against the criteria that we have called RIPE. Is it right for automation? RIPE. And that means, is it a repetitive process? Is it input based? Is it predictable? And is it expensive? And expensive can mean in terms of monetary, but also in terms of time, which equate to the same thing. So we'll go through that, and then normally at the end of that process, we have about 3 to 5 real good contenders for automation. And so the next step then is we will sit down and have separate meetings with the process owner, so the person responsible for that process within the company, and we will map out that process, each of the components of that process very carefully, and then determine where in that process map automation and AI can fit in to streamline it. And so after that process, after we've done mapped out all of those processes and assessed them, then we should have sort of 3 contenders typically, and so we might say, well, this one's going to give you the most value, followed by this one, and followed by that one there. And then we'll report back to management, give a presentation so that you understand the value of what savings are going to be made, and the cost of implementation for those different solutions, and then you'll have a roadmap for starting your AI transformation journey. So that's kind of our opportunities assessment. It's a fixed cost product. Normally takes about 30 days to undertake it, and we find it's really, really valuable. So thank you very much for listening, and thanks to the whiteboard. Cheers, bye.